Friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to make game passes on Roblox. So just just go to the browser and search for roblox.com. So it will take you to this page, and now you have to tap on this continue in browser. So now guys, once you here, just tap on this create option to create a passes. Now it will say that it can only work in Windows. So to enable the desktop mode, tap on the three dots and tap on desktop site. So it will open the site in desktop mode. So now once you here, so since the new update, everything has changed. So if you are not familiar with the interface, just make sure you follow all the steps here from here. So just tap on the menu. So before going to menu guys, first of all we have to go to this, you tap on this image in experience tab. Just tap on it. Now just go to menu and just go again menu and tap on this associate items. So in associate items you will be able to create game passes. So just tap on passes, and to create passes just tap on the create pass and upload the image from your device. So once you upload, now you have to enter the name here. Now enter the description, and once you're done with all the forms and details, now just tap on the create pass. So let's do that, and I'll back to you. So I uploaded the image. Now I'm gonna name the game pass. So roblox G. Now I'm gonna give a description here. So it is just for fun, for demo. And just once you're done with the name and description, tap on this create pass, and once you tap the pass, your game pass will be review here. So if you want to set up for the sale, just tap on the Roblox game pass and go to tap on this menu to configure it. So now you can tap on sales to enable for the sale. Now you can set the price here. So I'm gonna set it for 30 Robux. So you will get 21, means 70% of the total Robux. So just tap on save changes. So yeah, now it is up for the sale. So just go to please donate and set up for the sale. If you don't know how to set up, or if you don't know how to put the game pass on stand in, please donate. Just watch the video. Link is given in the description. So hope you like it guys, and hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.